Yes sir, welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some chicken strips right here and some pork chops, bone in. I have family coming over from out of town, and that's what they want me to put together. So if you go ahead and make it happen for them, they want it nice and fried. So we're gonna see what we can do with it. So I want my little marinade. We're gonna use some pickle juice. You don't need much of it. Alright. Some sriracha sauce. Everything being clean, pat dry. Go ahead and zip this up, and we're gonna let it marinate for like 45 minutes to an hour. Then we're gonna start seasoning so it can cook. Okay, so that's how we're looking right there. I'm gonna go ahead and set this in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. And then we're gonna take it out and let it sit on the counter for 40 minutes. So this is a whole hour of marinating the pickle juice and the sriracha sauce. Let's see what it do. Okay, so here's our all-purpose flour. Let me see. Okay. I'm gonna do 2 cups. Okay, I got 2 cups right there. So that's all-purpose flour. We got baking powder. We doing 1, 2 and a half. 2.5 tablespoons of baking powder. We have cornstarch. 1, 2, 3. So we're doing 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. I just want to mix everything together, like so. Okay. So we're using some Tony's, no salt. Scent. So we're doing 2 tablespoons of that scent. Tony's no salt. Two and a half tablespoons. Now you want to mix everything together. just like so. Some people taste it, but I'm not. So that's how we looking. Okay, so here we go right here. I fell asleep. So they end up sitting in the refrigerator overnight. And that's how we looking with the pickle juice and our sriracha sauce. So that's how we looking right there. Now I'm about to go ahead and pat them dry. We're gonna season them up. Okay, so this is what we're using right here. We're gonna use some of this DEJAN mustard and yellow mustard. But you know what? We're gonna take this out. We're gonna use the DEJAN mustard for the first time. And let's see how it comes out. We don't need to season nothing. We don't need to season it at all. So we're just gonna go ahead and add our DEJAN mustard and do our thing. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our vegetable oil. Let's see if it's ready. Wrap a little piece of that flour and boom, drop it just like that there. When you see that, you're ready. You're ready to shine. When you see it cook. So I let it sit. I put it in the flour and I let it sit for 15 minutes in the flour. Well, it's my first time using DEJAN mustard. And we're gonna see how the fries turn out. Everybody hungry. And like you were supposed to do this last night. I know. I fell asleep. My bad. Okay, so we just let them sideways fry, man. With the camera down some. There we go. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen. Everybody happy. They getting a little grub on. So what I did, I did the little white rice and I mixed the vegetables with some butter and honey. So they tanned it up. So here go the pork chops right here. And I go the chicken. DEJAN mustard, nah, it ain't a good fry. It's better off using regular mustard, yellow mustard. So that's how we looking with the DEJAN mustard. So I don't too much care for it, so I'm not using that no more, not to fry, unless that's the only thing that's standing. But other than that, I did my thing in this good kitchen. A nice video for the family. They getting their grub on right now. I hope y'all enjoy. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit dice.
Chef hitting dice. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma in my apron, I'm a chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and what you asking, it's a chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you my